Welcome back to another video. So this will be regarding generative 3D model, and we're going to take a look at Trellis. We're going to see over here the researchers that have developed this tool. So they are from two universities from China, and also we have over here Microsoft Research. We have the possibility to take a look over here for the code on GitHub, or we can do a demo. So this demo will take you to the Hugging Face over here. If you're going to take a look at various 3D models, we're going to see the mesh and also the texture. And I was really impressed with the quality of the mesh in this case. So let's give it a try. I will go over here, and I've already prepared some images, as you can see over here. This will be the new Peugeot 3008. Initially, we're going to see over here that the background will be removed. And afterwards, we can generate the 3D asset. This will be the progression bar. So this is quite common within multiple tools like this, hosted over here on Hugging Faces. We're going to see that after the model has been processed, we're going to have the following output. And now we can do the extraction for either the GLB or the Gaussian model. So in this case, I want to go with GLB file. We're going to see how this will process. And I'm quite impressed by the quality of the output of the model. If you're familiar with my channel, I have tested multiple 3D generative AI for cars, and most of them didn't manage to add proper symmetry to the model. And we have the extracted GLB model over here. We have the possibility to go and have this downloaded. As we can see, this hasn't been loaded yet over here. So the browser is a little bit stuck. Okay, so we have the downloading for this. So the sample, I will save it on my desktop. And we have the 3D model ready over here. And as we can see, overall the quality of the mesh is a lot better than other solutions, especially over here for the tire wheels and so on. So let me open this within Blender so we can better analyze that. The file format will be GLB directly on the desktop. This will be the sample. We're going to see that the car will not be at scale, so I will scale this up. I will also rotate it 180 degrees on the x-axis. And we see over here the mesh, so I'll just delete the default cube. And if I will enable over here texture, we're going to see how the model will look with those. Overall, the mesh over here is not that high, as you can see. So in this case, this can be a lot more smooth. But overall, I think that this solution is really good for various applications. Maybe car design is not one of those, but for other applications, I think that it does a great job. As you can see over here within their examples, we have some, for example, this robotic crab that was most likely generated using some AI tools. If I will hit generate for this, we're going to see the overall processing time. So this is quite impressive that they managed to create this model that will output quite fast the resulting 3D model. So let's see the generated 3D asset for this. And we see over here the attention to details for the mesh. So we see for the crab where we have that inner part that will also be visible within the mesh. We see over here also for the details over here. Now, let's generate the GLB file in this case. And as we can see, one of the main Problem with this is that you can mostly generate one each day. Otherwise, you will have to purchase some additional credits. But I think this is a great tool if you're going to stick with the one model generation per day. So let me know in the comment section if you know any other tools that are similar to Trellis, because I would like to have a comparison between those within 3D comparison. So I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I will position a similar video on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.